Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Ryan Hansinger, and today we're talking sound, and how to get it on a budget. When you're making videos, having good clean audio is super important. This is a Takstar SGC-598, $27. This thing delivers great sound at a really affordable price. Sure, you can record sound from your camera without it, but what a difference it makes to have good, clean sound. One of my favorite parts about this microphone is that it plugs directly into your camera, so it syncs up your audio and video together so you don't have to mess with it in post. Huge time saver. One thing to remember is that it is a shotgun microphone, so you're not gonna wanna stand more than about 3 feet away from the microphone. Otherwise, you're gonna end up with a hissing sound, like this. And we don't want that. To fix the hiss, you gotta take the clips and send them through a denoiser in Adobe Premiere or send them out to Adobe Audition, and even that can get a little bit tricky. Standing close and still getting a hiss? To get the best sound out of it, adjust your camera's sound settings. The camera generally has preamps that are set pretty high, so lower the recording input, turn up to plus 10 decibel on the Takstar, and let the mic go to work. What if I'm filming a wide shot? I can throw the Takstar onto a boom mic stand using the headphone extension cable to get a nice wide shot, or even just to change out a lens, and throw on my nifty 50 to give my background that nice blurred effect. I get nice clean audio that's already synced up with my video, so I don't have to mess with it in post. Lots of ways to get great sound, but this is definitely one of my favorites lately, and a great cheap addition to my gear. If you want to check out my sound setup, I've linked up everything in the description below. That's it for me, guys. Thanks for watching. Go create. I'm Ryan Hansinger. We'll see you next time.